Hi, today's video is related to Air India crash that happened on 7th of August in Calicut. And I guess all of you must be aware of that, and you must be knowing so many things about that crash through the social media or through news channels or anything of that sort. But please remember that many of the facts are still not revealed, and it needs to be recovered from the flight data recorder, and thankfully the black box has been found and it has been sent to DGCA. So let's see what happens and what news we get next. But till then, let's just not assume anything and let's just not blame anyone for that, and just pray for the people who are fighting with their lives and who are critically injured, and just pray for the families and send strength to the families who are affected and who have lost their loved ones in this accident. So rest in peace to all the departed souls. This was the flight IX1344 operated by Boeing 737 coming from Dubai, and it crashed in Calicut, maybe because of bad weather or maybe because of any other reason, but it was really a very tragic accident. And thankfully the captain switched off the engine, and so the aircraft did not catch fire, but otherwise it would have caused much more loss and much more destruction. So thanks to that. And I don't know, I'm just unable to get this incident out of my head because I have experienced something like this. I am really very thankful to God that it didn't become this worse, and God forbid that this should not happen to anyone. The people who have experienced this crash, who lost their lives in this, and who are fighting with their lives after this accident, I know that what they would be going through. I want to share my experience with all of you. But I just want to thank God that it didn't go that worse, but it was really scary, and I don't know, like it could have turned to anything, but thankfully we were lucky that day and nothing of that sort happened. So we had this pattern: Jaipur, Bengaluru, Bengaluru, Delhi, Delhi, Jaipur. So it was like we started from Jaipur, and in the pre-flight briefing we got to know that there has been a high thunderstorm alert in Bengaluru. So we have to be prepared for that. The flight will be very bumpy, so it will be like that. So if we feel that we are not comfortable continuing our services, then we will just stop our services and we'll go to our jump seat back again. And the captains will inform the passengers that it's not safe to stand up in the cabin and we need to keep our seatbelts fastened, and that's why the the services has been stopped. So we were like, okay. And then we started our flight. We went on the aircraft, and passengers boarded. We took off. The takeoff was good because weather conditions were pretty good in Jaipur. But then mid-air, like after some time, after an hour or so, the flight became bumpy, and it was turbulent. So we thought that we should not take risk, and that's why we discontinued our services. But then it was quite okay. It wasn't that scary. It wasn't that bad, but it was okay, still okay. And then while landing in Bengaluru, the flight was like this. Like it was just swinging in the air, and still the captain managed to land, and we landed safely.